Yeah, guys, we are here at the airport. We are going to So, yeah. Our flight is...
Sa iba, patingin na kung may nakalagay 1 lang.
Anong 1? Our flight is 7:10 in the evening. Today is Friday. Today is Friday. So, we are checked in already and we come back in Macau Sunday night, guys. So this is my luggage. So after how many years? My last vacation is 2016. Now is 2024. Oh my gosh. This vacation is just only a mission. These 2 days in Manila. So yeah, I'm here at the Macau airport right now. Now it's 5 to 6. We are now in Macau airport. I'm with Napoleon, Jel, and then Rona. So yung kay Murit, oh. Team Mananayaw.
Kamusta naman, Ate Jules, ang pag-uwi sa Pilipinas? Ilang taon ka ba bago bumalik uli ng Manila? 8 years? So sa 8 years na yun, ilang days ka dito ngayon? 2 days.
Today is Friday. Andito na ba siya?
So ano masasabi mo ngayon sa New Manila after 8 years?
Hi guys, good night, good night. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow we wake up early, so see you tomorrow later. So yeah. Good morning, people. Good morning. What a beautiful day. Now it's 5:30 in the morning, guys. Then what a beautiful day. Okay, naka-time to.